So July has ended and August is starting. In 2026, we will see a lot of mobiles. First, we are going to see the Oneplus N6X. This mobile is going to be a 6.7 inch to 6.8 inch display, which is going to be a HD plus resolution LCD display, and it is going to be a 120Hz refresh display, and it's going to come with a Qualcomm MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor. When we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in 4GB and 6GB internal storage variants with 128 and 256GB internal storage variants. The mobile is going to come with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera at the rear side and also a secondary sensor. For the front, it going to come with the 8 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. But this is going to come with a huge battery, that is a 7500 to 8000 milliamps of battery. But it will support 45 watts of fast charge through wire. Obviously there is no wireless charging and all. It's going to comes with the Oxygen OS 16 out of the box with Android version 16, and it also supports IP65. This mobile might comes around like under 20,000 rupees. Obviously we are not going to see any Super AMOLED displays under 20,000 rupees in the upcoming days also. The next mobile that is going to be released on the August 3rd, that is Samsung Galaxy F70 Pro. This is going to be a 6.8 inch display, which is a Full HD plus resolution Super AMOLED display which supports 120Hz refresh rate. It's going to come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. It also comes with a 8GB RAM to 128GB and 8GB RAM to 56GB internal storage variants. These are going to be UFS 3.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. Yes, and it is also going to come with the triple cameras, 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera, 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and a 2 megapixels of macro camera. For the front, it comes with a 8 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, 12 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. For the battery, this is going to come with a 6000 milliamps of battery which supports 45 watts of fast charge through wire and 22.5 watts of reverse wired charge. Yes, obviously it's going to come to the Android version 16 out of the box with One UI 8.5 because 9 is not released yet, and it also supports the IP65. This mobile might release in between that 27,000 to 31,000 rupees, in between that price range. So on August 4th, the Poco M8 Power is also going to release. It comes with a 7 inches of OLED display, and it is going to comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 4 processor, which is a 4nm processor. Obviously it comes in 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM internal storage RAM variants with 128 and 256 internal storages. But the important thing is that it comes with the expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. When we talk about the cameras, it comes with the 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera and a secondary depth sensing camera. For the front, 8 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. When we talk about the battery, it comes with a 8000 milliamps of huge battery which supports 45 watts of fast charge through wire and 22.5 watts of reverse wired charge. It runs on Android version 16 out of the box with the latest Poco UI, and it also supports IP65 water and dust resistance. By the way, it is also a 120Hz refresh display. This might come under 30,000 rupees according to my assumptions. So that's it. When we talk about the other mobile, that on August 6th, the Redmi Note 17 and 17 Pro are going to release. The 17 is going to come with a 7 inches of OLED display, which is a Full HD plus resolution display, and the mobile is going to come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 processor, and also it is going to be a dual camera setup at the rear side, 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera and another sensor, and for the front, 8 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. When we talk about the battery, it's going to come with a 8000 milliamps of huge battery which supports 45 watts of fast charge through wire, and it also supports IP65. When we talk about the variants, this will be available in 8GB RAM 128, 8GB RAM 256 variants also. Probably this might come with a price tag of like 30,000 rupees, under 30,000 rupees I'm assuming. The Redmi Note 17 Pro 5G mobile is will comes with a 6.8 inch 83 inches of Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate support, and it's going to be a 1.5K resolution display, and it is also going to come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor, and it is also available in like 8GB RAM, 256, 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage variants properly. And it also comes with the same 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera and another depth sensing camera, which is a 2 megapixels one. For the front, it might comes with a 20 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. Battery, it's going to come with a 9000 milliamps of enormous battery, which supports the 67 watts of fast charge through wire, slightly better than the base model. And it also supports 45 watts of fast charge through wire, but no wireless or reverse wireless charging. And it also supports IP65. This mobile might comes around like above 30,000 rupees, I'm assuming. So on August 6th, we'll get to know about the prices. I will list the price in the description box. Keep checking out with the channel to know about the updates about the mobiles which I'm explaining in this video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and share the video.